Hello and welcome to the Showstopper Show's Must or Bust. Today I'm unboxing and giving you a review of the Wyze Cam Pan. It has tilt. It has 1080p HD recording. Let's see if it's a must or a bust.
Must or bust.
So as you guys can see right here on today's episode of Must or Bust, I am definitely going to try out this camera. We're going to see how it works. I want to show you what kind of video you're looking at and basically what comes in the package. Here's your charger and its cable right here. And let's go ahead and look at this camera here. The one thing I know I'm going to like about this camera is that it's got that pan and scan feature, 360 degrees. So you can look everywhere all at the same time from one shot. And so that's something I'm going to look forward to doing. So there is your camera right here. You can see it's actually very small, and it actually comes on a swivel right down here, so it can spin and turn. And also this camera will turn as well. Up, down, up, down. I've already downloaded the Wyze app, so make sure you do that whenever you purchase their product. And then it also works with my Alexa, which I think is really cool. Comes with a quick start guide. So I'm gonna go plug this in and we're gonna connect to it. So I've gotten the cable out and I've unraveled it and I've connected it to the adapter right here. Now it took me a second to actually find this, but to plug in this device, you actually will go to the bottom right here on the little revolving piece and you will plug it in down there. So it's right there. So there you go. So now I have it plugged in. And I'm about to connect to the power outlet. Little guy's just moving on his own. Interesting. Look at that. Oh, wow. So on the bottom of this device too, make sure you press this little button.
Ready to connect.
Then we go to the app where we select this. Yep, we're plugged in. And the yellow. Type in my Wi-Fi password. And then we want this little guy to scan.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
Okay. And now it says it can take a minute. So there we go. Pretty simple. And make sure you do follow your instructions here, as it clearly tells you to follow these steps. I do now have a blue flashing.
Setup completed.
Setup completed. Blue flashing means it's connected and finishing setup. Solid blue light that our device is working properly. That's what we have. So then it wants me to name it. We'll call it Living Room Cam Finish. That's nice. Okay, congratulations, you've earned a badge. Wow, you set it up, you get a badge. So it's on. So let's take a look. What we're looking at, set video to HD for higher quality, okay? Cancel, we'll do the upgrade in a little bit. Just want to see what it looks like. Oh, look. Look at that. It's me filming you. Look at that. Pretty cool indeed. So let's get this here to look around. So we're gonna just hit this spinning wheel. So you can see it moving, and here's when I'm hitting it. There it goes. And I can, of course, record as well. It is now completely turned the other way. You've reached the end, it says. Just I can take a photo, and then I can record. You want to see what it looks like when I'm recording? It's now recording. You can probably hear it twice. There we go. Look at that, guys. That's recording right now. Pretty cool. I do have it in SD. Let's switch it over to HD. It's got the timestamp, it's got the date. Look at that. Look, you can just look at my whole dining area here, guys. And we can, look at that screen. It's perfect. Look at that screen. It's so nice. I can touch the screen to make it turn. Very nice indeed. Did I sound a little excited when that happened? You're probably right, I did. So easy. So it has the 14 days of cloud for free. It's got motion tracking, pan and scan, motion tagging. You can save it. You got your time lapse you can do. That's pretty cool too. So you can set up a time lapse and let it go. You got so many options. Plus you can add an SD card to this too, and it does have the two-way speaker. So you have so many options with this device. And here's a quick rundown of the features. These are located on the back of the box. It's got the HD recording, has motion and noise activation notifications. So many different things this little camera does. I am so excited to have it. Well, I'm gonna go and play with this little toy here and mess around with it. I'm gonna go set it up where it needs to be set up. And I hope you guys like this. For me, it's a must. Thank you, Wyze, for shipping this to me. This is a great product. It's got a lot of good options. It works with Alexa, so I'm gonna set it up for that too. But just basic camera operation, that 360-degree thing right there is amazing. Just spinning just like it does. And that eye right there, man, it's gonna see everything. So I could be at work and wanna see what's going on with the kids at the house. I could just turn that on and look at the entire living room. I could probably look down the hall. Eventually, it's probably gonna have wheels and walk down the hall. Who knows? But guys, I'm excited to keep this camera. I'm gonna get the one that goes outside that's gonna hang on my soffit. Those are about to come out. They're $49.99, and you can go pre-buy it on their website. So check out Wyze cameras. Thanks to my buddy Michael who told me about these. So I went to check it out, and I am glad I did. This is gonna be my new favorite camera, and they're cost effective. They are not expensive. This is $29.99, guys. Make sure you do read all the instructions. It was a little difficult to find out where to plug it in, and also that I had to make sure I hit that little button on the bottom. So make sure you just follow all the steps. And that was my only drawbacks, but it's definitely a must, not a bust at all. I say thank you for watching the Showstopper Shows. If this video helped you, just give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. May the forks be with you. May his presence be with you. Always put a bow on this show, because that is a wrap. The show stops here. Never quit, y'all.